In this video, we're going to go over how to properly structure and name your ads. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to name the campaign properly. So let's go to engagement here and let's set up the engagement name here. So this is how we would do it, okay? So let's say that we were running for a dentist, a dental implant. So dental implant. And then we would put the cost. Let's say it was $9.99. Okay. And then from here, we would put the actual type of campaign objective. So this is going to be an engagement ad here, because our intention here is to build up that branding, that social proof, right? And get some engagement on our ad. So then we can turn that into a conversion type of campaign, right? Where we are able to use that same ad that has that social proof, right, as a page post engagement, and then be able to drive the conversions, right? So let's go down here and let's name this PPE, right? Page post engagement. So that's how you'd want to set that up, okay? Nice and simple, right? And then let's go to continue. And then here on the ad set level, we would put our audiences. So what we want to do is we want to, let's say, select that particular area. For here, let's put in Seattle. So let's go 10-mile radius. And then let's put the age here to, let's say, people in their 30s. Let's go 35 to about 60, okay? Because typically the individuals that are going to be getting these are going to be within this age, right? You're not going to have somebody looking for a dental implant, at 18, 19 years old. So we can leave the genders open, okay? And we can allow Facebook to be able to gather that data for us. And so we want to also leave this detailed targeting open as well, okay? The best thing that we can do for Facebook to get us the best return on investment, highest return on investment, and the best quality leads is by giving them large audiences so that they can go out and find the right individuals, right, that are clicking, that are taking action, that are doing what we want them to do. And then Facebook can go use their AI and then show the ad to more of the same type of individuals, right? The Facebook algorithm is very, very intelligent. It does a great job when we're able to give it a large enough audience so that it can go out and find the right people, right? So let's go ahead and leave that like that. And so up here, the way that we would name this is, let's say Seattle, okay? And then male, female, okay? And then the age group, 35 to 60. And if you want to get more specific here, you can put male plus female, okay? So this is pretty much all you need here to help you understand, right, that you're targeting dental implants, right? And then this particular audience is Seattle, male and female, 35 to 60, okay? So that's how you want to name the ad set level. And so now the way that we want to name this here is we want to have our offer, okay? So let's say dental implant, ad number 1. Nice and simple, doesn't need to be anything extraordinary, right? We have our campaign objective up here where we have laid out the dental implant offer, right? For the cost and everything, right? For $9.99. And then we have the ad set where we have named appropriately for that particular audience, right? And we've designated whether it's male, female, or both, and the age group. And then here is just a matter of naming it nice and simple, dental implant ad number 1. And we should be good to go. So this is all you need to know as far as how to properly name the campaign, ad set, and ad levels. And so that's going to be it here for campaign, ad set, and ad naming structure. And we'll see you on the next one.